I'm Desda Zuckerman. Welcome to my podcast, The World of Sacred Healing, where we learn about and discuss the magic and the mystery of the spiritual life and the deep healing of the soul. Let's do some spring cleaning. As the rains fall and the winds blow and the leaves are turning and flowers are starting to bloom, it's time to let go of things that haven't been working for you. So let's take each area of your life and let go of the things that you're tired of, that you want to do differently, that you'd like to see shift. So take a deep breath and think about your career, how your career has been frustrating you, what's been difficult about it. So let's do a spring cleaning on your career and take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, let go of the frustrations, let go of the difficulties, let go of the struggle with your career. And now take a moment to visualize the spring coming forth on all the beautiful things that can happen in your career in the next months. See goodness coming your way, people giving you a break, exciting changes. Now take another deep breath and move to your friends, all the friends, your family, your community, the people that surround you, your friends, your co-workers, people you connect with. And let's do some spring cleaning and weed out issues and traumas and dramas that have gone on over the last year. So think about that. Focus that in your mind. Take a deep breath and let go of the things that haven't worked in your friendships. Let them go. Little arguments you've had, disagreements, or just miscommunications. Take a big breath and let that go. And now see the spring arriving in your friendship circle, new people coming your way, your old friends renewing connection, feeling good and strong. And now let's talk about your reputation as a human being in the world, the gifts you're giving, how you have contributed. Let's think about that and do some spring cleaning in that area. What is it that you are known for? What is your reputation in the world? Are you known as a good person, or would you like to clean that up with some spring cleaning right now and let go of maybe some of the things you've done that you're not proud of or happy about? Think of what they are. Get them focused in your mind. Take a deep breath and let those things go. Just let them go. With your out breath. Another big breath. Just releasing the stress of not being known the way you'd like to be. And now let's see some spring buds popping through the soil of your work, your hard work, and your reputation being renewed with new growth and beautiful new ideas, and see the new year coming up in this spring growth. Now let's move to prosperity and your income, your money, how well you're doing with your savings and your planning. Take a nice deep breath and think about all the different ways that you make money and all the ways that you stash money for the future, how you'd like to see that change, what hasn't been working for you in that regard. Get clear about that. Focus on it right now. We don't need every detail. We just need the big strokes. So take a deep breath and release what hasn't been working about your income, your prosperity, what hasn't been functional or good. And now see the spring growth in your bank account, the spring growth in your savings account, and see new income coming your way from unexpected sources, wonderful and beautiful things. Feel that coming in and accepting that with another deep breath. And now we move to health and family. Your family as they surround you, your beloveds, your children, your spouses, your parents, your aunts and uncles, your extended family, your siblings, all the people that you're related to. Think about them and think about the things maybe that haven't gone well over the last year. Things with your family that have been uncomfortable or difficult, or maybe the same old problem rising up again. Think in terms of letting that go, just releasing it enough so that the space is created for your spring blossoms. So take a deep breath and let go of family drama and trauma. Let it go. Let go of the old and see the new arising. Maybe new members of the family are coming in, or maybe, just maybe, old family connections will be renewed and restored, rejuvenated with the spring. So take a deep breath and accept your good family connections. And now let's let go of love relationships that have been stressful over the last year. And these can be people in all areas of your life that you just love. You love them deeply. But maybe you just haven't really been communicating the way you should, or there hasn't been a connection that's been important to you. Perhaps you haven't seen each other in a while, or talked to each other in a long while. So let go of the stress of love relationships not working for you. Just let that go. And now, with the spring arising from the earth, feel new connections, new love relationships, and the renewal of older relationships, the invigoration of older relationships, new growth and beautiful blossoming. Taking a deep breath, allow that to come in. And now we go to creativity. All of us are creative beings. We live in a co-creative partnership with Divine Source, and we are plugged in to the divine force of creative energy as it comes blasting through us. And last year we had a lot of creative events. See if you can pull those up, remember them, and then get ready to let go either what didn't work or what you don't want to do anymore, or maybe what's just finished. Take a deep breath and allow the creative work of the past to let go, making space for the new blossoms and sprouts of creativity coming forward, coming in. Because creative energy does not ever stop. It's always moving. So breathe into the spring of your own creativity. Whew. And now we go to your home. Your home, the place where you hang your hat, where you sleep, where you eat most of your meals most likely. Your home, your environment, where you live. If you've had difficulty in the last year with your home, maybe you lost a place to live, or you moved and the move was a little rough. You want to let go of all of those challenges to make space for your home to be renewed. So take a deep breath. And as you do, focus on what just has been stressful or difficult about your home and let it go. Just release it with a big breath. Just releasing it into the air and making space for new developments to arise, for beautiful new developments to come forth like gorgeous little sprouts coming from the earth. Maybe the right environment for your great work to appear. You never know what you need until you're there in it. And then you say, this is my home. So take a deep breath and allow your home to expand. And finally, let's really concentrate on health and well-being. What hasn't been healthy over the last year? Perhaps it's your physical body, perhaps it's your spiritual life, perhaps it's your emotional self or your psychological self. So be clear about what part of you has been unhealthy or disabled in some way in this last year. Taking a deep breath, realize that health and vitality is right there at your fingertips and can return right now as we make space for it by releasing what didn't work from last year. Breathe in and let go the winter of your discontent, the difficulties of your physical body, letting go the pain and the arthritis and the broken bones or the difficulty with organs. Let it all go. And breathe in as you feel every single molecule in your physical body renewing, rejuvenating, filled with light, filled with love, filled with hope and possibility. So we've finished our spring cleaning, and I want to invite you now to take a whole big breath and simply say out loud, I am spacious. I am whole. I am clear and clean and ready to meet the spring. I'd like to invite you all to come to my website, yoursacredanatomy.com, where you can find information about the Sacred Anatomy Academy and the teachings of the Sacred Anatomy. All of the work that I've done over the last 50 years to bring the sacred anatomy into conscious awakened awareness is captured in this website in many different things. There are classes you can take. There are free little healing bits and pieces you can find. There's the record of the sanghas that I've done. The Sangha Garden has been a wonderful experience over the last few years. And you can find all about what the sacred anatomy actually is. It's the energy around your physical body. It's the energy within your physical body. It's made up of sacred and energy, sacred and beautiful, subtle energy, just like the universe that is conscious, awake, and aware, just like your subtle structure. So come and find out at yoursacredanatomy.com and see if you're interested in buying one of my books, Magical Beings of the Natural World, or Your Sacred Anatomy, An Owner's Guide to the Human Energy Structure. Both of these books are for sale on Amazon. I hope you have a beautiful spring and a lovely day. Thank you so much for joining me. I've loved spending time with you. Please don't forget to leave a review. Visit us at yoursacredanatomy.com.